Hello guys. Hello. Anyone there?
Hi, good evening.
Hi.
Just wait for the lecture to start.
Yeah, hello. Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir.
Okay, so I just share my screen and then we'll start the session. Actually, this is
Your voice are not clear. Your voice are not clear.
yeah. Just give me a second. What about now? Hello.
Not
Clear, sir.
also
Clear.
Perfect, sir.
Yeah, just check from your side, and
Yes, sir.
I
Now
think
clear.
okay.
Clear.
Good.
Clear.
Good. Okay.
Actually, we are able to hear you, but there is so much background noise from your end.
Yes. That's right.
Is it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me. I think it's my side. What about now?
Perfect.
Now
sir,
better.
Perfect.
sir.
Perfect.
Perfect, sir.
Okay. Good. Okay, just so I am now co-host, so I can share my screen. Yeah, give me a second.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
What about now? Hello?
Clear, sir.
Sir, it's fine now.
Yeah, no?
Sir, good.
Yes,
Sir,
please start the session, no issues.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
So, yesterday's session that happened was not recorded and posted on YouTube, by the way.
Yeah, which session? We're talking stats. Which one?
Stats, sir.
Yeah, I think there were no any session yesterday. I think something was there. I think, yeah, there were no session yesterday.
Yesterday is only math session, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, it was scheduled, but yeah, session didn't happen. Some issue was there. So stats team will let you know what to do. Okay. Yeah, what's happening? Yeah, so today it's all with instructor session, and you guys have to log in through joinpd.com. From there, you will be able to answer. Okay, so I'm about to
There is
share
a
the
link, sir. Link, sir.
yeah,
link.
I'm about to share the link. Just give me a second. It's taking little time. I don't know why. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so my screen is visual.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, perfect.
Yeah, so what do you have to do, guys? Yeah, just give me a second. So yeah, so my name is Deepak, and I will be course instructor for CT for this term for you guys. And so today I think last week on Friday we had open session, and this is little bit different session. I think those who are all I think term student, they already know, and those who have register this time for a qualifier examination. So for that, I'm just giving the information. So this is the Solve with Instructor session where we come up with some questions and we give you some time to answer that one. Okay. So for answering the question, you have to go to joinpd.com and enter this code DCGVDO. Okay. So I can see how many participants we have here. 106 and I can see only 14 students have joined. So please go and join.
Sir,
this.
please reshare the link.
Yeah, so link is visible on my screen. You can see, no? Is it not? My screen is not visible.
Sir, it's a green box
Sir,
like
joinpd.com.
Yes, joinpd.com and the code is DCGVDO. My screen is visible or not? I mean,
Yes, sir. Visible.
yeah. So please enter this code DCGVDO. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm giving you one more minute to join.
Which one
We'll
code,
start
sir?
the session.
Which one code?
DCGVDO.
Yeah. This is the
DC?
code DCGVDO.
Hello?
Can you speak faster?
Hello,
Yeah.
sir. Is it necessary to go and join there? Cannot I just answer in my book or just like
No,
that?
no, it will be good that if you solve with us. I mean, that's
Okay, because
if,
I have a mobile phone and it lags a lot if I open too much tabs at a time.
oh, whichever you feel comfortable, but it will be good that if you also be in the part of well, like see, we give some
Okay,
time, and as we, I want to also know the how many are answering and how many have doubt in this. Okay,
okay.
so please do it fast, guys. I have to
So
start the
I'm
session. I'm
new
already late.
registered for this January session. I actually have no idea. Just now
Mhm.
have started the videos of the city. So am I be able to understand whatever will be done here?
Yeah, totally. So this is for the, I think the term, for the term student, they have already gone through that. So for them it is not, but for the qualifier student it's a must. I mean, it is a necessary. I mean, it will be good, very good for you guys if you join these
Okay.
sessions. Okay.
I'm
And
joining.
these things are mostly that created for you guys only, those who are very new to the course. I mean, those who have registered
Okay.
first time.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So just give me 2
Sure.
minutes. I go and log in there.
Yeah, please do. And one way, I mean, one thing I want to tell you guys, if you want to ask any doubt, please raise your hand. I will call according to the sequence you have raised your hand. Please don't
How to
interrupt
raise the
me.
hand, sir?
Yeah,
Click on reaction button.
yeah, reaction button is there, no?
Okay.
And please do not speak in between, and please join with the name of your actual name with through which you have registered this code. I can see some A, B, C, something name is there. So please do not do that. In next time, as you join, you just join with real name. Sounds good?
Hello.
Yeah, please
Hello.
mute yourself, guys. Otherwise, I will mute. Yeah. So as soon as you will join, you will have to mute yourself. Okay. Chalo. Okay. So I'm going to start the session, and the people can join. So also, if you see my the right top corner, the code is given DCG video. Those who have joined late can go to joinpd.com, enter this code, then you will be able to answer question. Okay. So I'm going to show the okay. So
The
this
code.
is
The
the first
code.
question.
What is the code?
Can you see on my right top corner? So please do not speak. I am giving you 1 minute to answer this one. So which of the following are the example of a string data type? Hey guys, please mute.
Sub mute, please mute me, because as I told, na, if I'm logging in there, na,
So how do you submit it?
Yeah, no need to submit. Response will automatically come to me as you enter your responses in the box. Okay.
sir, whenever I'm opening the Chrome na to look, sir, whenever I'm opening the Chrome to look for the question na, the Zoom just gets disappeared, and again I have to restart it.
Okay, so you try to figure out in next session, but you just see on your screen and try to solve on your notebook. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, last 10 seconds to enter your responses, guys.
Sir, do you have to type the full answer or the options only?
Only options.
Okay.
How can just put the options, sir?
You can write A, B, C, D, whichever A, comma, B, comma, whichever the correct answer is.
Okay. Thank you. And click on the show question.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So time is up, guys, or do you want more time? I think time is up, and let me see the
Sir.
response. Yeah. Yeah. So most A, B, C, E, F, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, F. Okay. A, B, C. Okay. Okay. I show the answer then. Try to correct yourself. Yeah. So these are the correct answer. A is also a string, B is also a string, C is also a string, E is also a string, but D and F is not a string. How many have doubt in this?
Yes, sir. I
Okay, wait. So that is the way. Please raise your hand.
There's-
Yeah. So please do not talk. I will call your name according to the sequence. Okay. Please do. Okay. Pragati.
Sir, how option
Hello.
C is a string?
Yeah. So what is the definition of a string? Do you remember? I mean, a string is just give me a second. I just show you something.
Continuously written between those two inverted
Any
columns
sequence
without
of
any interruption.
characters. Any sequence of characters.
Any sequence of characters.
Yeah. So what is that? A string is any sequence of characters, any sequence. So, and it should be written in double inverted comma. Do you remember? Means in the at a lecture number, some lecture number in which we have this one definition of data types, where we have studied integer, character, string, boolean. No. So in the string, we have definition that any sequence of character, and it should be written in double inverted comma. Okay. So you can see that, and it can have anything. It can have a special character. Sorry, where is that? Yeah, it can have anything. So see, LCD is just a alphabet. So this is there is no doubt in this also. Like one is numerical, plus is a what? Which type of value? It is a special character. Yeah. 2 equal to this. So 2 is a numerical, equal to is a special. So these things you can see that written in a double inverted comma. So
Yes, sir.
as soon as you write anything in double inverted comma, that becomes a string data type. Okay. This is also
Anything-
like same thing. One exponent. Yeah, please don't talk in between. If you have doubt, you raise your hand, and I will let you to speak. Okay. Sounds good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so this is another 1 plus exponential e raised to I pi. That is exponential I pi is there. No? So this is also a sequence of character sequence, and which is written in double inverted comma. Therefore, it becomes a string. IIT, what you can say? This is what is that? Is this a character, or is this is a numeric, boolean, or?
So it's a variable, sir.
Yeah, correct. So this is none of data type. It is a variable. Okay. 9. There is only one character, but it is written in double inverted comma. Therefore, it becomes a string. Whereas A is written in single inverted comma. Therefore, it is a what? Which type of data type?
Character.
Yeah.
A is not a string, no, sir.
Yeah. So A is not a string. See, if I write like this, A, then this will become a. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So A is a which type of data type? This is a string.
String.
Okay. If I write like this, only single, then it is a
Character.
Correct.
Character data type. If I write like this, A B C. What is this?
Character.
Okay, Pragati.
Sir.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me which type of data type is this?
Sir, in the A, which is double inverted comma, the string, and with the single, these are the characters.
And this one?
So this is also a character.
So
okay. Just a minute. So okay, character. Others meaning others I wanted to tell. What is this?
Word, sir. Sorry, variable.
Variable. Also, this is not a variable. Tell me other.
Sir, it is also a string.
Counting numbers, sir.
No, string but a string should have double inverted comma. No?
Sir, it's a combination of characters.
Sir, are you writing?
What do you say?
Not the
We haven't defined anything such thing. So in a character, it should be only one and it should be written in single inverted comma. In case of string, anything should be double inverted comma will be a string data type. Nothing is there like IITM I have written here. So this is a, what is that?
Variable.
Anna?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Sir, screen is not visible, sir.
Is it?
Screen is visible, sir.
Sir, it is visible.
It is visible, sir.
I'm just seeing a green box, sir.
Please rejoin. I think it might be a problem from your side. Okay.
So why is it a variable?
Because see, this is not this is a variable. I mean, you can define like this variable IITM like that one. So this is a variable. This is not coming into any category. So this is a which type of now this becomes a variable which have a numerical data. I mean integer data type. If I write like this, then it will be a string data type.
String.
But if like this, then it is will be a
Integer.
character type of data. This is a variable which stores the data, a character data type. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Okay. Yeah, please.
So can you please explain third one?
This one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So see, we have defined what are things. Boolean data type. Where is my note? Yeah. So we have defined what? Boolean data type, which can have only two range, true and false. Other one is integer data type, which have all numerical values and operations. Yes. You can do these things. In character, there will be only single character and it should be written in single inverted comma. And other one is the string data type. There is any sequence of character and it should be written in double inverted comma. Can you see this? Double inverted comma.
Yes,
so but this one is not falling in any one of the category what we have defined here. So therefore, this is not defined for this computational thinking course. I am not talking about other any programming language, because the questions will come from what we have defined till week 1 to 4 in qualifier examination. So please, those who know other programming language, is good for them, but the questions will come based on the what we have covered in week 1 to 4. Okay, so please don't confuse with yourself. Good. Okay, so do you have a still doubt in this?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Please.
Sir, there was the that names of students was a string.
Yeah, so name, okay, if you write like this will be a like, what's your name?
Arya.
Arya. Okay. Yeah. So this is a string data type. I mean, this is, so you can say that a name is a variable which stores a string data type.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And if we write it without the inverted commas, then it will be variable only.
No, this is you cannot define like this.
Not defined.
So error.
Not defined.
It will show error.
Sir, IITM 1 is.
Sir, but there was no inverted commas over there. Only written the names of all students in a class, and the answer was a string.
Where?
IITM is equal to 1 is a string.
Show the question.
Yeah. So see, just please talk one by one. So this is this is not defined at all. You cannot write like this. But if you write like this, name is equal to 1. So this will be a what? Integer data type. If you write like this, name is equal to Arya. So this will be a string data type. If you write name will be only a. So this is a character data type.
Yeah.
But this is not defined. Okay. You cannot do like this. Okay.
Okay, thank
yeah.
you.
So
Sir,
IITM 1, this is
Sir, actually it was in the lecture.
Where?
It was in the lecture that name data type was given to something which was not inside the double quotes.
No, it should be in double inverted comma. I mean, if it is not there, it might have missed because, but it should be written in double inverted comma.
If
You
not written, then
can
that is
tell me in the
sir.
time stamp, and at the end of class, I will let you. Okay. Nabya, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please talk. I mean, you can tell at the end of this session with the time stamp. I will just go and tell you what is there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I don't think so. Further doubt is there. I just going to move the next question. Is it?
I have one doubt. For example,
yeah.
if we don't take name, we take gender, which is category. So the responses can be either male or female. Like not taking the character MNF, if we put the whole spelling there. So should we write that
then
as
so
well in
it will be if you write like this, then this will be a character data. Sorry, Boolean data. No, what is that? This is a string data type. But if you write like this, then this will be a character data type.
And if we don't,
that is what you were asking.
Ma'am.
Yeah, Pranch.
Sir, IITM 1. That one
IITM?
counting?
Sorry.
No, that one IITM. That
so
one
this
variable or serial number.
Yeah, this one, no?
Yeah.
So this is a character data type. Yeah, this is also a character type. But if you write like this in double inverted comma,
sir, character in a single comma, sir.
Yeah, character should be in single, and it should have only one character in this.
One.
Okay.
If not in single, then it is.
Then that is what I have shown somewhere. No, if you write like Jane here, double inverted, this will become what?
String.
String.
Yeah.
Single means character.
Sir, it means anything in double inverted comma is string.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, good. And we will have more discussion on this, and we are not asking these type of questions, which is the string data type. All questions will be pseudocode in qualifier. Okay.
Yes. So if we write gen equal m only without single or double quote.
Sorry.
It become not defined, right?
Yeah. You cannot write like this actually.
Right. We can write gen equal 1.
Yeah.
Then it becomes integer,
if
but
you write
not
like this will be a
integer data type.
If you write like yeah.
Got it.
And
Thank
if you write like this, Jane will be what? True. Then it will be a
not defined
data type.
Boolean.
Not defined.
Boolean. This is Boolean. True, false.
True
Jane can
or
have
false.
if you write like this. Understand?
Yeah.
But Jane is
sorry.
No need to inverted comma.
Sir, but Jane is
one by one, guys.
Is that a Boolean or not defined?
Which one?
Last one.
This is a Boolean data type. This is defined, man.
Can you explain?
It can take only, once you write Jane is true, then it can have only two values. It can take only true or false. Only two values.
Sir, what happens if
variable name can be anything. Jane, if you write with the generally, see how we write like gender with short form write a Jane. But variable, if you talk about variable can be anything. It doesn't care about that whatever. But if once you define this one, then it becomes a Gen is a variable which stores only string data type. If you write like this, here you become gender is a character data type. If you write like this is a string. If you have defined Jane is equal to 1, means Jane becomes a
integer
data type. If you write Jane is equal to true, then it becomes a Boolean data type. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think we have enough discussion in very first question. And those who have still doubt, you guys can ask after this session. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, how to avoid comments coming in middle of the screen every time?
This side, right side.
It is coming in the middle of the screen, the chat comments.
There is option in the side of chat box.
You check, guys. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to move the next question. Everybody is clear on this?
Excuse me, sir. Can you share the code of PureTech, sir, please? I just joined now.
Yeah. So can you see that the right top corner DCG video? This is the code.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Next question. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm giving you 1 minute and try to solve. Don't talk in between. I'm just explaining you the question. So what will be the value of given below expression based on the lecture, which was the transformation of subdata type. I have is a print which is defined in the lecture. If you write print inside the 30, what will be the return value?
0.30.
What's your name?
I am.
Yes, sir.
Did I ask you to answer?
No, sir.
Sir, is this like
answer in the JoinPD, sir?
official?
Sorry?
Is this an official like class or?
Yeah, this is official. And is there any other classes also going on, unofficial classes?
Yes.
Too many unofficial classes, sir. Unofficial communities, we are totally confused which is official and unofficial.
So, so this is whatever in your calendar it is saying that is only official. From the
And sir, a request
portal.
is also that can you please just let the hires inform that there are too many people selling and teaching for this course and doing other things like spamming the
Then why
mailbox.
It was informed in the
not
orientation
encourage
that
them, na?
there
You
would
guys
be a
are
lot of
doing,
things.
that's why they are doing
going
like
on.
this, na? See, whatever we can do, we are doing from yourself. We are trying to restrict, but thing is that
Sir,
if students wanted to buy things, that is their problem. No, I cannot help in that. But
let's just follow the calendar.
Sir,
yeah.
sir, on my calendar, I don't have any like class showing it.
I will tell you how to sync. Okay.
Yes, sir.
At the end of class. But
I think.
Guys, please utilize this time.
Okay,
this
sir.
is for the solve with instructor session. Other things I will let you know after 8. Good. Please solve this
Also
question.
submit in the JoinPD, na, sir?
Yeah, joinpd.com and enter this code. Joinpd.com and enter this code DCG video. Okay. Good. Yeah. So I think time is up, guys, and or you want more time?
So voice is distancing, sir. Your voice.
Voice is breaking, sir.
Is it?
It is clear now, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah, so let me see the responses. A, most of the guy, A, B also is there. Okay. Okay, so try to match with what I'm showing here. It will be 0.03. Okay. And how many have doubt in this? Please raise your hand. Or yeah, please raise
I
your
have
hand.
a doubt, sir.
No, please raise your hand. I will call your name.
Okay.
And please do not talk in between. It will just make a noise for others. Okay. So my first question is that why we do transformation of subdata type. So you might have studied in lecture number, I think 1.9. I think, yeah. So generally transformation of data type is required when you want to do some operation which you cannot do and the particular data type. For the example, this is a very good example what sir has explained in the lecture. Like if you want to have date is 15 Jan and want to know after 3 days what will be the date. So see, if you convert like 15 Jan, so 15 Jan is basically a string data type. No, you cannot do addition operation in string data type. So what you will do, you have like a database you have to create. I mean, in a such a way that like yeah, first Jan you have 0, second Jan 1, 2, 3, like that you have done for the 31st December. It is 365. Why I'm doing? I just tell you. So what was I was asked, like after 15 Jan, I want to know. So you can in your mind you can do 15 plus 3, it will be 18. So 18 Jan, but computer will not do, because this will be like this, no? If any variable, let us say you have date, and the date you are writing like this. So 15 Jan will be like this, no? So it is which type of data type is it? A string data type?
String.
Date.
Yes or no?
Date.
Date will be a string data type, no? And what do you know that
Yes, sir.
string data type we can't do any what are the operations we can do? We can do equality operation only. We cannot do addition. So alternatively, what we can do? So for that, we have introduced called transformation of data types, sub data types, and how it works. Like in your mind, you can do 15 plus 3, it will be 18. But how computer will do? So what it will do? It will convert into a form where you can do the addition. An addition where you can do in integer data type. We can do the additions, no? So we have what we have done. We have converted 15 Jan into something called from the database we have already prepared from the database, like in computer database is there, where you have expressed as a 15 Jan is 14, because you have started first Jan is a 0, so obviously 15 Jan will be 14. Then 14, and then you have 14 plus 3. That is what you are doing, integer operation. That will become 17. So 17 you have to bring back to the original form, no? And that is what print function is doing. So as you see that 17 is nothing but 18 Jan, and this is what appearing on your screen. So as you write 15, and if you want to add 3, it will come 18 Jan on your screen, but inside these things are happening. So the same things, another one was the marks or something was there. So we want to add 18.5 and 90.5, but we haven't defined float data types. So what we have done alternatively, we have multiplied with 100, we made it integers both, and then we added and we brought back to this final value using print function by dividing 100, no? Because for converting you have multiplied with 100, so you have just divided by 100, it become 171. So we have done the operation also very cleverly. That is what I'm trying to say. So here, what was the question we had here? So we had 30, and in the in our lecture we have used only this divided for 2 digits. After 2 decimal values we have done. So we have used multiplied with 100. So for bringing back we have used print function. So once you divide by 100, this will become 0.030. Okay. Any
sir.
doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Anybody's having doubt till here? Means what I have explained?
Yes, sir. Actually, this was the point I didn't understood even in the video. This transformation of subdata types.
Okay.
So anytime we see a question like this with whatever digit inside, we have to divide it by 100.
No. So that is what in the lecture we have done. Maybe you can find in some other way, like you want to do in different way. That is your wish. Like you have to you want to do for the 3 digits after decimal. So you can multiply 1000, and then for bringing back you have to divide by 1000. So like that. So this is not like fixed thing. Our sir had just given one explanation. It's one of the example. Okay.
So how we will be knowing, sir, what we have to do?
No. So this time, based on the lecture, see, this is the question why I've asked, because I just checking that whether you have watched the lecture or not, and that is important concept. That is like if some restrictions are there, you can still do some operations. That's right. Okay. But if something is there that in question, if I ask, then all things will be given, all details. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to move to the next question. If no
Yes,
doubt.
sir.
Can we write 0.30 without
One by one. Yeah. Who is having doubt?
Next question, sir.
Sir, can we write 0.30 without double quotes? In float data type.
0.03. No. So we haven't defined float data type. No? So this becomes like a string data type. No. So float we haven't defined. No. So that's right.
Sir, if there was another one option 0.3, so it would also be correct, na?
0.30. Sorry. 0.03 you're talking about?
3.
Hello.
0.3. 0.3, sir. Yes.
There is integer data type or string data type.
You can say, but there it comes like significant figure. One term is called significant figure. You have to consider till there.
Okay.
Okay.
So as you
Actually,
shown
the numerical, the magnitude, in terms of magnitude, it will be same. But if you talk about in terms of significant value, you have to write. There is a meaning of significant value. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to move to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Mitali, you had doubt in previous question?
Yes, sir. So, like apart from 100, we can't divide it by 1000 or
Yeah.
10.
So that's just now I have said. Now that depends on you. Sir has given one of the example, and in that sir has used 100. Only two decimal after decimal two values, two integers are considered. You can do for the three values also. So you have to multiply with 100 and 1000, and then for bring back to the origin, you have to divide by 1000. That's no problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So this is the question, and I'm giving you how much time? 1 minute. And please don't talk in between. Yeah. So 10 seconds for entering your responses. Okay. So time is up, guys, and let me see the responses. Yeah. Okay. CDA, ACD. Okay. ABC. Okay. Okay. So try to match what I'm going to show the answer. Yeah. So the answer is A, B, and C. D is not any type of. I mean, I will ask you what is that. Yeah. So how many are having doubt in this? Please raise your hand. I will call your name
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
why D is not?
Abdul,
It is a set.
Yes, sir.
you are not supposed to speak unless I'm not calling your name. And please be on mute. Please. Okay. Yeah. So because if you speak in between, it will be noise for others. So that's why I'm telling you. I will call. I will give. Okay. Yeah. And please mute. I have to mute. Okay. So yeah, Sneha Bhagat.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Do you have doubt in this?
No. Not.
Okay. So since
I
you have
raised
raised
for
your hand,
previous
that's why I'm
doubts.
calling
Yeah.
your.
Yeah, I raised hand for the previous doubts, but not here.
So your doubt were clear last time?
Right. Yeah, cleared.
Okay, good. Yeah. Conscious. What is this conscious? Is it your actual name? Conscious?
No, sir. Actually, I didn't know how to register in the Zoom. So I just registered it with any email available. I will
No.
change
So
it.
please write your name and just keep a record of these things.
Okay.
Yeah. So do you have doubt in this?
Yes, sir. Why D is not?
Gotcha. Okay. Okay. So give me 30 seconds to explain this. And after that, if you guys have a still doubt, keep your hand up. If you do not have doubt, you just lower your hand. Okay. Chalo. So give me a second. I have to put power in my laptop.
Sir.
Yes, now.
Yes. Yeah. So what we have defined? What is the definition of list? So it is an sequence of data type, any data type. If I show you the definition, where is that? Yeah, a list is a sequence of data elements of same or maybe of different data types. So it is actually a sequence of data elements which can be of same or different data types, and it should be written in square bracket. That is the another condition. So it can have any sequence of data types, same or different, doesn't matter, but it should be written in it should be written in a square bracket. So if you see here, first, so this is 2990. So this all are same data type. What is the data type? Integer. Here is what? This is a string. This is a string, but this is a integer data type. So, but it is written in a square bracket. This is also a list. This is a special character. All are a character data type written. But what do you think? This is Ram. Okay. Mohan. Okay. So these all are a string data type, but it is written in middle bracket or flower bracket. So this is not defining any type of like a record. We can say, but this is also not a record. So obviously we cannot say this is a list because it is not written in square bracket. But this is also not a record. I tell you in next example. In the next question, I will explain what is record and list of record. All things are there. But for the timing, everybody I think understood why this is not a list, because it is not written in a square bracket. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Only this is the situation that there should be square and nothing else.
Yeah, only that.
Okay, so got it for this.
Everybody clear on this?
Sir,
yeah.
Like what is the data type of?
No. So wait. Yeah. So those who are still having doubt, please keep your hand raised. I think Sneha, you have a still doubt?
No.
So but I can see your hand raised. That's why I'm calling you.
Okay.
Please lower your hand. Abhishek. Okay, Abhishek. Gopi.
Hello.
Sir, sir,
Hello.
in answer C, what is the data type of quoting the letters in single quote?
So these are the character data type. This is a special character which is written in single inverted comma. Therefore, these all are character data type.
No, but usually for character data type, we need not to put it in single quotes, right?
No. Character data we have to write in single inverted. That is what I was trying to explain in the. Can you see this? These are character data types. If I show you the, where is that? Yeah, character data type, all alphanumeric value or a special characters, but it should be written in single inverted code. Can you see this?
Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Good.
Thanks, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Gopi.
And sir, what is option D?
Sorry, D.
What is option D? Yeah.
No. So I will tell you, this is none of. This is not also a record. Why it is not? I tell you in next example. Okay. Or next program. Okay. Shane Vagraj.
Yeah, I have two questions, one related to this question and one general.
Yeah.
This question in the list, the definition, they say it will be all of same data type. In
Same
that
or
case,
maybe different also.
Okay. So that's what my question B should be a list or not, because it is having different data types.
No, it can have same or different data types. I mean, the definition is this one. I mean, elements of same or maybe of different data types.
Okay.
So that's right.
Okay.
So
Okay.
here,
Another question is in the
yeah.
practical assignment, practice assignment, I could not see data sets for that.
No, so data sets you can see. If you go to the portal, you can see. I mean, I will tell you how to see that one. Just give me a second after this session. I will get these doubts clear. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Abhishek. Okay. Kishan.
Sir, how of the second option number, sir?
Yeah, second option number. Yeah, so this
number,
is what type of data type you can say?
Number. It is a numerator.
Integer.
This
is a string, so it can have any sequence of same data type or maybe different data types.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, I mean, so first is the same data, all are same data type. What is that? Integer. But in option B, this is a string, but this is an integer. It can also be because by the definition of list, it can have same or different data types.
Okay, sir. There is no need of a first of your.
Sorry.
There is no need of a first of sir. The brackets inside the bracket.
No, this one.
Yes, sir.
No. So if you write this one, then it become a string data type. That's why I wanted to show the difference that this is a different data type.
Okay.
Okay, good. Kishan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Done now? Yeah. Okay. Sonia?
Yes, sir.
Sonia?
Sir, do we also have the notes you are teaching with?
Okay, I will share that notes. Okay.
So where?
On the portal. From the portal, you will be able to download.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, good. Okay. Prateek?
Yes, sir. So if we write let's say a Madras word in single inverted comma, then what will it be called?
Did you join late?
Yes, sir. I joined.
That's right. Please go to the the beginning of this session. You will find the answer. Okay. And if you write a single inverted comma Madras, that is not defined. That will be not defined. That will show error. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For the details, you just go at the beginning of this session.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So I'm moving to the next. I think.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is question. Take your time. Oh my God. I have. Okay, but it's okay. Means you guys have to understand the concept, not the answer. Okay. So this is I'm asking record of record. Okay. I gave you 3 minutes to understand what it is written, how it is written. Please read carefully, and I will explain what is that. Okay. Yeah. Your screen is fully visible, no? I mean, I'm not obstructing anything, no? I mean.
Yeah, sir. It's perfectly fine.
Good.
Answer is C.
Yeah. Are you done, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I'm just giving
Yes,
you
sir.
15
Yes,
seconds
sir.
to answer. Okay.
Sir, where can we find those PDF of the video lectures?
Video lectures. PDF are there, no? Like those
In the
who.
portal only.
Yeah, portal only.
It's not getting downloaded. Let me check again.
Okay, so I'm going to show you see your response. Actually, I've already shown his CD. Can we tuple? Okay. Yeah. So answer is this one, and I think everybody knows this one. I think I have all. I will talk about tuple, but not now. After the session, those who are having doubt, but let me clear this one first. Okay. So which of the following are example of record of record? So first of all, we should understand what is record. So the first example is nothing but a record actually. And record, please raise your hand. I will just call your name. And before that, I just explain what is that. So the first option A is actually example of record. And in record, what are the important things you should have? You should have field variable as well as the value. So this you will study in from, I think, week 5, week 7. Yeah, actually this is these things are not important till week 4, but still since it is mentioned.
Dictionary, right?
Yeah, dictionary only. Yeah, so that's why I'm just not taking the name also. So don't. So because till week 4 these are not required, but I'm just giving you the definition. So this is nothing but a dictionary. Yeah, says key and this is value. So key value pair is there. So in other terms, what we have used in this here. So this is the variable and this is the corresponding value. So it should be written in like you have to use this symbol, and it should be written in flower bracket or middle bracket. Okay. It should have two key field variable name and corresponding value. Field variable name, corresponding value. So this is example of record. This is example of inside a record. Can you see this? This is one of the record. I think I have written in explain. Yeah. So this is a simple record. Here, this one is I can say this is one of the record. This is the another record. And it is written in a square bracket. That's why this is a list of record. Inside record is there, where it is outside it's a list. So this is a records are the element of list. Can you see this? Records are the element of this list, which is separated by comma. So sequence, no? So this is the another record. This is the another one. So this is called list of record. This is the record of list. I mean, how? So this is the field variable corresponding. What are the values? It's a list actually, which is it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that. So this is a list corresponding this field value day. We have this variable. Another one is month, in which another element. So these are the actually elements are record. What do you think? Elements are record. Okay. So this is a record of and corresponding in this is the list actually. So this is a record of list. What I was record of record. So it should be a element should be also record inside. Can you see this? This is Asia. Inside that, if you see that element is also a record, and record should have key value. I mean the variable corresponding value should be also there. So can you see that Asia inside? If you see that element is a record, and if you see that record, it has a another variable called India and their capital, like this is written. And this is one element. If you see that another one is Europe, inside France, Paris, like that, it is there. You can have like this also. I mean, where is that? Just a minute. Record of record. I'm just giving it an example. Record of record. So I have written, what is that? Sorry. Asia, in which we had, what is that? India. I'm just writing in short form. India capital. It can have one more value, no, inside. No.
Yeah.
No.
Just Japan. Tokyo, like that.
Yes, sir.
Hannah, and you can have Europe. Sorry, yeah, Europe. And you can have more than one France, another Germany, Spain, like that. So it can have. So now it will have how many elements? 2 elements are there, like that. You can have outsider, Europe, another continent, North America, South America, like that, Australia, like that. You can have, no. So that's why this is a record of record. Clear? If you are still having doubt, please raise your hand. I will try to clear. And if you do not have doubt, please lower your hand. So Abdul is having still doubt. Abdul?
Yes, sir. Sir, how D is correct?
Sorry. Can you please repeat? How?
How
I didn't
D is
get you.
correct?
What are you asking? Yeah. Go ahead. Abdul?
Yes, sir.
What's your
Sir,
doubt?
how D is correct?
Which one is correct?
D, sir, D.
Option D. He is asking
So
about option D.
This is not a character. This is record of. Yeah, Abdul. This is record of record, and these are the string data types. Double inverted comma is written. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, he is saying how D is correct, not character.
Oh, okay. So D is. We have asked. What
I
is
knew
the
this was the problem.
Yeah, the question was which is the record of record. So its inside should be record the element. The value should be record corresponding, and it should outer side. It should be also a record. Can you see this? So a record. What is the definition? It should have a value, a variable, and corresponding value is there. So key and value pair. Key value. So if you see inside, it is a key value pair. So this is a record. But if you see outer one, say Asia, another one Europe. So like this is a the first one is also a record actually. So this is record is inside. This is called, you can say, nested.
Sir, it not contain a square bracket. So I'm asking.
Yeah, I mean, so you can say that, but if not only a square is necessary, if it should have a variable, corresponding value should be also written, like in this stuff. So that's why it is used a square flower bracket, and it has a element variable, corresponding value is there. The value inside, you have another value is nothing but a record, and it should have, it is also a variable, and corresponding value is there. Okay.
Yes.
So the question was record of record. That's why the answer D is correct.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Abhishek? Abhishek. Okay. Abhishek is not talking. Yeah, Veena.
Yeah, sir, a couple of questions with respect to this. One, inside of a record, even a variable is stored under double inverted commas.
Yeah.
So, how would the system basically know whether it's a
Variable means
variable
I'm
or a...
just saying is like this is if you go in a week 7. Yeah, there is a this is variable. I'm saying is because this is changing. I mean, you can say here ACI is there, here Europe is there. So this is not a variable.
That's a key,
The
right?
base term you can say is the correct term is actually a key. So
Yeah.
key, and this is value. So key value pair in a record, or record is nothing but a dictionary, and it should have a key value pair. So that's why I'm telling is like here is a variable, because if you see here, I mean, this is just an example. Like I said, it's a rough example of the record where name, gender, date of birth. So this is same for next card also. I mean, so if you the sequence number 9 is there, if you go to the sequence number 10 or 8, these are same. So this we are saying a variable here.
Correct.
And corresponding these are the values. But if you write in terms of where computer understand, that is like a dictionary. So that's why I have written in that way, so that it will not confuse when we talk about in upcoming classes after week 5. Okay.
Okay. Also, sir, in terms of the values that are stored in there from the value section, so it says name Alex, age 35. So is that 35 stored as a string or as an integer?
Yeah, this is stored as a string. You can make it as a what is that, integer also. If you do not write in a double inverted comma, it will become a integer.
Integer. So even that is accepted. It won't throw out an error for that.
Yeah, it will not throw. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So next we have Harsh.
Sir, we always write record in curly braces, or we can write in a square bracket also.
No. So for a square bracket, we keep for list, and for curly bracket or flower bracket is for the record.
Okay.
Okay. Next we have. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Next we have Ayush.
Yes, sir.
Ayush Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I have some confusion D and B. Because
B and D.
Yes, sir.
Because
sir, and its capital in option D.
Yeah. So in B and D, you can see that what is the difference. So you can see outer side is what? A square bracket. So what are the element? A square bracket is used for what?
Yes, sir.
List. What are the elements of that list? A record. No? Can you see this? This is one element. How can I say that one element? Because can you see this comma separated by comma? So as you put a comma, you have one element. So this is one element, and this one element is what? A record. Another element is also a record. That's why I'm saying this is a list of record. Whereas in case of here, okay, I think I have missed one curly bracket here. It should be one more here. No? I think in question also I missed. Yeah, it should have one more actually. Sorry, because I have used that last. Can you see this?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, I have missed. I have used here. Yeah, I have not used here. So it should have one more. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It should have one more bracket. Sorry. Yeah. So that's why if you one more bracket. So what are the elements of this one? Elements are actually a record, and inside record another record. Understand? So that's why this becomes a record of record. Whereas in case of here, outside is a list, square symbol as is, and elements are a record. So that's why this is a list of record. Here is in case of what? This is a square bracket, meaning this is a record. And what are the like? This is a key. Corresponding value is what? List. Can you see this? There is also list. So here this nothing but a list. So that's why this is called record of list.
Yes,
is
sir.
it next we have yeah, I think Abhishek, you have still doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, what I understand is everything in changes because of this curly bracket and this
square bracket. Yes.
square bracket.
Yes. And
We-
also like in a square bracket, elements you just separated by the comma. But whereas in case of curly bracket, if you use, means that is for the record, and the element you cannot write like this. An element should have key and value. Key and value.
Okay,
Key and value.
so Asia is the key and India and New Delhi is the value.
No, this whole thing is a value, and this value is nothing but representing a record, where is in case of that name is a key, whereas this one is only representing a
Value.
value, means this is a string, है ना?
Yes, sir.
But here the element is, what is that? Record.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay. Yeah, so many doubts came suddenly. What happened? Pratim?
Yes, sir. I am asking, in the option B, if we replace the square brackets with the flower brackets, what will
A square bracket with a flower bracket. Okay.
What is
then it is not
will it become a record?
For a square, no, key will be should be there na. Here key will be, can you see that this is a one more bracket should be there? Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
If I write this, there is a key and then value is there. Where is the key?
So there is no key to be
yeah.
it.
So that's why
Okay,
you know, I have in last question, what was that? Here was square curly bracket was used, but where is the key? Key was not there, no. So that's why I told this is this is not a list, or also it's not a record.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Next. Make it fast, guys. Yeah. Harsh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
So you have put a curly bracket like just before the string Asia. So why is not
more it should be there? Actually, I have missed that one, but you
no. Yes, sir. Yeah, I understood that. But like, why we have not put a curly bracket just before the string Europe?
Europe.
So will there be a curly bracket just before the string Europe?
No. So just
Europe is a key value inside the.
So this is for one record, and this is another one record.
Sir, I don't see any missing.
No, so this is no. So this is outer side. No, outer side. I mean, this is outer side. This is outer side. No, I mean. So that's why, like, you need not to put here, because this is one of the element, no, and that element is nothing but a record. है ना?
इधर आ घुमा दे.
Joham, can you please mute yourself? Harsh, I mean, it's not required.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is for.
Okay. So we have put a comma. That's why
this is one of the element. This is the one of the element.
Okay, sir. I got it. Thank you, sir.
Okay, there's another horse. Okay.
Yeah, just a minute. Okay, Jashika.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I want to ask if in last option D, if we replace this curly brackets with the square one, is it become list of list?
No, just now I have explained because
of key.
Yeah.
Okay, I joined late. Sorry.
Yeah. List of list. How list of list will look? Okay, I just give you an example. List of list will look like this. You have 1, 2. Let us say this is ABC. Okay. BCG. And let us say So this is what?
Full of
List of
square bracket.
list. Now it becomes
List
list
of
of
list.
list.
This is list of list. So this is one element. This is another element separated by comma. So this is list of list.
List of list.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
These things you guys will study. Don't put too much attention on this. I mean, from week 5 onwards, these things you have to only study list and dictionary in very much detail. But since it came in the lecture, that's why I'm explaining. Okay. It's
So
clear.
one more question.
Is it not an important topic? Record and list.
For current timing, it's not, but it will become very much important from week 5 onwards.
We'll have to give a quiz, na, before that. So
yeah, that's why once you qualify, then you will be able to do further. Yeah. Okay. So just guys, yeah. Okay. Jessica, your doubt is clear now?
Yes, clear, sir.
Was it no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What's your doubt?
Actually, sir, I have one doubt. Like every this square bracket represent list, right? And also every curly bracket represent the records,
no, so
right?
curly bracket it cannot say only, but it should be written in a key value pair.
Okay. Actually, key value pair that is also a record, right? What?
Yeah, so that is record or dictionary. I mean, this is key value. Then you are using this as curly bracket or flower bracket. Therefore, it becomes a record. But what was the previous case we had? This was curly bracket. Only elements are there. So this is not a record, no?
Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay, chalo. Yeah, Vikas, make it fast. I'm getting late. I mean, I have to finish.
Sir,
Yeah,
can we add more than one value to one key pair? Means after New Delhi, can we add Kolkata?
Yeah. So just now I have. Where is that I have explained? Yeah, can you see this? In Asia, India, New Delhi, then Japan, Tokyo, like this. There is how many elements are there? 2 elements. You can add so many. Just I'm giving you example. Okay.
And sir, means if we change New Delhi, then also it will work. Means if we remove New Delhi or change.
Sorry, come again.
Means it is mutable, something like this, mutable.
If we change, you can change the value, replace. Okay. Yeah, these things you can do. The operations, how we can access the element, how can update the elements list. That we will do in very much detail in week 6 and 7. So
next question, sir.
5 and 7. Yeah. Okay. So this is the next question. Yeah.
Sir, how to join question answer session here?
Go to joinpd.com and enter this code DCG video. Joinpd.com, you will be able to answer.
Okay.
Yeah. A code is.
So give me a second. Let me go there. Give me a second, please.
Sure.
Hey,
guys, please make
line number where there is mistake.
Yeah. So I have asked what are the error and sanity of data if you might have studied. So if you watched that lecture, so I have asked that in which line, means let us say if line number 1 there is a error, you just write line 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 like that you write in the response. Okay.
I think line 4.
I haven't asked you. You are supposed to write them in the responses.
How can I write?
You have to go to joinpd.com and enter this code DCG video.
Sir, we are unable to type line with the respective number. So can you just give the number in how many lines
So
there is there?
you have to write just number 3, 5, 8 like that.
Sir, the comma is also not coming, sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, give a space then. Give a space.
Okay, sir, I will try. Otherwise, can I just write the
yes, just write
amount of
normally.
lines?
That is also fine.
Also not working.
Okay, then don't give a space.
Sir,
That is
space
also
is not working.
Or
okay.
because the answer is only one, sir.
Yeah, answer is only in teacher, I think. So that's why. But it is fine. I mean, if you write 1, 3, 5, I will understand line number 1, line number 3, line number 5. Got it? Okay. You guys want more time?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, sir, hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, there are error in line 4 and line 5.
Yeah, there can be more than errors. More than one, actually. Yeah, more than one errors can be. So you just write like line 4, then line 5 or line 8, like that. So
Sir,
just
how
write
to
4, 7, 8.
submit?
Like if there
So,
is.
sir, I wrote my answer.
How to submit it?
No need to submit. It will come to me.
Okay.
And please mute,
Sir,
guys.
comma and space both are not working, sir.
Sir, quantity
Okay.
for
No comma, no
single piece.
space. It's just asking a single digit integer number. So just
Yeah,
can
so
we give the
just
sum
give
of
me 1
lines?
second.
How many,
Give me
errors
2
are
seconds.
there?
I tell you what to write. If
Just
let us say
write
there
your
is,
answer in sequence.
guys, you guys want to talk, then I will just be silent. You guys talk.
No,
Yeah,
sir,
so
you
what I'm saying
continue.
here, if there is a you feel that there is an error in line number 3, line number 6, or line number 9, just enter response 3,
Done, sir.
6, and 9. 3, 6, 9. Okay.
So quantity for single piece.
Whatever you feel, whatever you feel, you write according to your understanding. I will explain. Okay.
Sir, I've already done, but it is not showing the option to add the answer. So my chat was not going on there.
Chat, when you are supposed to write on this one, no? JoinPD.com. There.
Yeah, I write over there.
As soon as you
There is
enter,
a-
it will come to me. That's all.
Okay.
Okay. So time is up, guys. I'm just going to see your responses. Oh, like that it is coming. Huh? Oh my God. Okay. No problem. No problem. Okay. So the answer is line number 4, line number 5, and line number 7. There are
Right.
errors. And what are they? Just give me a second. I explain. And those who are having doubt, please raise your hand. I will call your name according to the sequence you have raised. And after explanation of mine, if you have still if you do not have doubt, please lower your hand. If you are still having doubt, please keep up your hand. Okay. So line number 3. And see, line number 1, no error. Line number 2, no error. It's nothing. Line 3 is all are like acceptable. Line number 3, batteries is come into utilities. Quantity 2 batteries you can ask. It can have price 14. There is no numerical error also. So 14 into 2, 20. Tomatoes, it comes into a food, vegetable and food. Yeah, correct. Quantity, you can have 1.5 kg tomatoes. Somewhere it can have like 5 tomatoes they sell with respect to dozens also, but it is acceptable that 1.5 kg is also sold. Then price is 80, so that 1.5 into 80, it will become 120, but it is written 1200. So you can think that there is a error in this one, but someone can think error might be here also, like someone has taken 15 kg. So what if then this is correct but this is wrong? Someone might think that error is in this line, so he will think 800. So 1 kg is price 800, so then it will become 1200. So we cannot tell in which where there is error. It can be either in quantity or price or cost. So that's why I'm saying that there is an error in line number 4. I don't know where, but there is an error. That's sure. Okay. Next, we have geometry box, stationary, 0.5 quantity. Obviously, 0.5 quantity, geometry box you cannot ask. Like either it will be only a integer values. It can be 1, 2, 3. 0.45. It cannot have 0.5 geometry box I want. And 0.5 kg geometry box. It's not acceptable. I mean, that's a sanity. But if you see that this is, if you do multiplication, it is correct, but this is not acceptable. That's why there is error in line number 5. Here we can say that there is exact error in quantity because we cannot ask for 0.5 kg or 0.5 dozen like that. Then we have line 6, bananas. This correct only, no error. Line number 7, mosquito. It's not is a category. Mosquitoes doesn't come into the category of food.
These
Bharti,
utilities.
can you please mute? Okay. So this is acceptable. Guava, yeah, you can have 0.4 kg. It is correct. Earphone, electronics one, yeah. How many have doubt? Still doubt? Please raise your hand. I will call your name. Yeah. Jasmeet Singh. Yeah, Jasmeet. What's your doubt?
So, sir, how do we consider whether the quantity for guava is numerical or in kilograms?
Yeah, since I have not written, it can have. You have to think in both. I mean, it can have a quantity or it can have in kg or weight. I mean, so that's why like 0.4 kg is accepted. 0.4 kg is acceptable.
But if we consider to be numerical, then it's not. Then there's an error in this line, right?
Yeah. But you have to think a general case, no? I mean, it can. You have to think all possible value. Like what I have numerical, this is understood. But why there is an error in this? So 0.5 kg cannot have geometry box. 0.5 in numbers or numeric value cannot have geometry box. So we have
Please mute everyone.
Possible values.
Mute yourself.
Kundan, can you please mute? Yeah. So what I have thought here that 0.5 kg geometry box cannot possible. 0.5 in numbers cannot be possible. So we have thought all the possible case and that is not acceptable. That's why I told that line number 5 is error. But here in line 8, we can say that 0.4 in number, it is not possible in that case. But 0.4 kg is possible, no? So that's why. Just
all right, sir. It's all right.
Okay, good. Then next we have Jessica.
Yeah, same doubt, sir. Why 0.4?
But I have given explanation.
I mean, this is not natural when we buy any fruit. We cannot buy 0.4 kg.
That means that is 400 gram kind of thing. If we buy fruit.
Kind of.
0.4 kg cannot buy. I mean, you can buy no 0.4 kg.
Yes,
all
yes.
electronics, I mean, weighing machine we can buy 0.4 kg.
Yes,
yes. If you want to buy only 2 and that weight is 0.4 kg, sometimes it comes. Why not? We
yes, yes. Okay, sir.
Okay, good. So all are clear. I mean, nobody is having doubt. Okay, so I'm moving to the next question.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Okay. Ask fast.
Actually, it's written like banana is 4. It means like 4 kg or for like
anything
4
it can have anything.
Okay.
So that's why you have to consider all possible situations.
Okay. So like actually, if it's a like any particular shops of any particular shops, like how we can find a different.
No. So some shops can have in terms of kg. Like generally, I think in South India, I mean this side, southern part of India, I have seen that banana is like sold by measuring weight. But if you go to the northern part of India, you can have like in terms of dozens also. No.
Okay, sir, fine.
Okay, good. Okay. So just read this question and I also explain. So what should be the correct sequence of steps or statement to find the total number of nouns or verbs or adjectives and pronouns in the paragraph words data set? It is a multiple select question. Okay. So these are your options. So these are the sequence. Like if you think that line number B should be first, then you should write B. Then you think that C is the first, then you should consider C first. Then B is C. After that, if you think A is first, then B, C, A. Like that, you have to write a sequence. You will be able to enter your responses. Question is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Okay, good. So I am giving you 3 minutes to solve this question, and please don't talk in between. Okay, I will let you talk after 2 minutes. Okay, chalo.
So can you show the question again, sir, please?
Have to count number of nouns, verbs, adjective, and pronoun in the paragraph words. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, can you show the question? Hello?
Yeah. So you are supposed to find total numbers of nouns, verbs, adjective, and pronoun in the words data sets. Okay. So for
Thank you,
that,
sir.
you have
Thank
to
you.
write the sequence.
Done, sir.
Okay. So time. Do you want more time, guys?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Let
So
him
I
know.
give you 1 minute. Let me have water. Yeah, you guys just continue. Yeah, I think time is up, guys. So let me see the okay. Last 10 seconds for entering your responses. Okay. Okay. Yeah, time is up, guys. Just let me see the responses. Okay. BHECAT. Okay. H. How? H is starting. Okay, so you try to match what I'm showing here. Okay. So see, the first will be what? Guys, just please listen. Yeah. So as soon as the cards are given to you, and what are the paragraph data sets? So if you see that, sorry, yeah, where is that? Yeah. So if you go to your course introduction page, you will have some common data sets. Can you see this? It is not opening. Yeah. So if you click
Yes, sir.
this one, these things will be visible. So if you click on paragraph words, it will be visual. So all cards, these are nothing but all the words of the paragraph. So it is starting like, it was Monday morning, Swaminathan was reluctant to open his eyes. So what are the information we are having in this? For every card, you have what is the word in it, which is it here, sequence number, parts of a speech, and its letter count. Next one, again another different word, which is was, sequence number 1, parts of a speech is verb, and letter count. Okay, so these informations are available.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what you will do, as soon as you have given the pile of cards, what you will do, you will arrange the all cards and you will call it a single pile called pile 1, and so B will be coming to the first one, the first. After that, what you will do, you will read the, oh sorry, you will have to maintain the variables first. So first you have to maintain a variable. Once you have card, after that, what are the, suppose you have to find, you have to count four
variables
variables: noun, verb, adjective, and pronoun. So I have
Pronoun.
just defined this variable in count, v count, a count, p count, and initialize them with 0. So which type of data type it is? If I'm initializing this all variable with 0, means what I'm doing actually
Integer.
here, I have in count I have initialized with 0. Then v count I have initialized with 0. Like that. P count, got it, no?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. And a count is also there, I think. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After that, we will read the card. Meaning, so first one, sorry, no. First we have to check the iterative condition. So first what we have done, B, after that H. So B, H. So as soon as you have defined, then you will have to check the, you have to add the termination condition of the loop. If you go to the any loop, you have to make the termination condition. So for that, like if file 1 is empty, then you have to stop the iteration. Obviously,
Yes,
if you
sir.
go first time, there will be cards are there, so you will not stop the iteration. You will go to the next step. So next step will be what? You have to read the card. Understand? Otherwise, if you keep this one first, then let us say a situation will come where the all cards are not there. And if you keep this one, you will have to read the card. Obviously, if some cards are there, then it will be read now. So that's why you have to place E first. After that, this C will come. So first one will be what? B, then H, then E, then C. For how many people this till now correct?
Me, sir.
Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Others? Okay, good.
Sir,
So
why,
can we do the
why,
second step first and first step second?
Just a minute. Yeah. So what? One by one. Yeah, please.
sir, why C comes first, then what? E?
E. Okay. So let us say you keep E first and then C. So I'm saying you are saying that first, second, this will be third, and this will be fourth. That is what you are saying, no?
Yes, yes.
Jashika. Okay. So let us say situation it will come where like you have reached to the final card. Okay. Means all the, I think there are 65 or 66 cards are in what's data set. Let us say you
Yes.
have read all the cards. Okay. And this is your third one. So let us say card is not there in pile 1, still you are reading the card. Will it possible, Jessica? So before reading the card, you have to check whether cards are there or not. If cards are there, then you have to read the card. No, if cards are present in the pile 1, then you will read the card. No.
Yes, yes, yes.
So if card is not there, obviously if means pile 1 is empty, then you have to stop the iteration. This process you have to stop. So that's why this will come first. After that
Then
you have to.
see.
So if card
Okay.
is empty, obviously if you are going first time, card is not empty, then it will go to the next step. Next step is what? This one, line number C, and you will read the card. Okay.
Yes,
Everybody
sir.
is clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes,
Clear?
sir. No, sir.
Okay, good. So next I'm saying this will be the fifth one. If parts of a speech is noun, then you can increment in count. What do you think? Other can be also 5?
Yes, sir.
You are
No,
checking,
sir,
no?
no.
If parts of speech
I
is
and
noun,
F.
then you are incrementing. Sorry?
It can't be, because initially in the second line we have given noun, V count, A count, and P count. So we have to go in that sequence only. First noun will come, then verb.
No. It can anything come now. Let us say it is there. So the first one is pronoun.
It is computer's work to filter all the cards, na, sir?
So see what I'm saying here. You can have 5. This one also. This one verb count also, or A count also, or pronoun counts. Anything can happen.
Yes,
No,
sir.
like
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so if you write this first, this is the first next line, then other 3 will become 6. Next 2 will become among that we will have 7, or last one will have 8, like that. So you cannot say that okay, only this one is 5. This can be also 5. This can be also 5, or this can be also 5. So once you
sir.
say that, let us say n count is 5, then you can choose A count is also 6.
Yes, sir.
So because it is just a checking condition, like but you have to give the sequence, therefore you have to. So that's why I have written this is a multiple select question. I mean more than one, sorry, more than one can be correct. So options, if someone is writing like this, first one is B, H, E, C, A, and other things are there, then this will be correct. So that's why saying these lines can be either 5 or 6 or 7 or 8.
Yes, sir.
N count, V count, A count, and where is that? The last P count. Everybody is getting what I'm trying to say here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So till
Yes,
8,
sir.
it can be, you can have shuffle. I mean, you can have any one. N count will be 5, then V count you can write 6, or A count you can 7, and where is the P count will be 8. Till 8 you are okay. After that, what you will do? Which will be the 9 one? This one means as soon as you read the card, you will check the condition that if that card belongs to one of this part of speech, then you will do the increment in corresponding variable. After that, that card will be moved to another pile called pile 2 and repeat from step 3. If you do not move that card to pile 2, what will happen? It will be keep rotating the same line, no? Because
it will entry in loop, na, sir?
Yeah, it will be infinite time. It will not never ending loop. If you do not remove the card, it will keep going, because you have to, like, as soon as you read one card, so you have to move to the another side, no, another pile.
Yes,
so
sir.
that's why you have to move that card, because that entry or the checking process of that particular card is done. And you have to move, look at the new card. So as soon as you remove the top card, again next one card will be the new card, and you will keep doing this operation till when you have to go to the next step 3. Step 3 is what? Which one? This one. You will check that, yeah, if pile 1 is empty, no, you are going to the second time. You will go to the next, read the card, and you will again check n count or v count or for a count or p count. It will keep going. Let us say situation will come, pile 1 is empty. We have moved all card from pile 1 to pile 2. It will go to the step 3. So if pile 1 is empty, yeah, it is empty, then you have to stop the iteration. Then you will have the number of nouns present in particular paragraph word data set will given by which variable, n count. Say for verb v count, and for adjective a count, and for pronoun p count. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir?
No, sir.
Yeah, sorry.
So another session is there.
Yeah. So next question.
Sir, can we do H
one more.
first and B second?
Which one?
H first and B second.
You can do. That's not an issue. You can do that.
No, sir. If you do that, then from G it will say repeat from step 3, and if it ends, then you'll have to.
No. G and you are saying this B and H, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this can be okay, no? Before arranging the card, you can have variable definition. It's fine. No?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay.
Sir, even I know the answer. I made it wrong anyhow.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay. So maybe in after this session, you just be with us. I will figure out what you have done. Okay. So next question is, what will variable A represent after execution of the following procedure on the paragraph words data set? So you have to find the value of A, means what variable A will represent after the execution of the following procedure on the words data set.
Options.
So you have this one. Read carefully what it is doing, and I give you 3 minutes exactly. Think what it is happening.
Sir, can you show the question again?
We have to find if it
So I'm saying that what A will represent at the end of execution of, that is the question. What A will represent at the end of execution? Variable
Okay,
A.
sir.
Okay. And you will have options also. Options will be there. These are the options. So first you have to just check what A is representing. Okay. And then I will show that. I will just keep shuffling from these 2 slides. Okay. And please do not talk. Just think what it is happening. Write things on your notebook. Try to understand what is this code. This code is very good. I mean, this procedure is very good. Try to understand. Okay. Just come back in 1 minute.
Options.
Please source the options, sir.
Hello, sir. Option.
Sir, can you show the options?
Option, sir, please.
Option. Sir, don't visual the screen.
Sir, we can't get the screen.
I think sir left the chat.
Maybe sir leave. Yeah.
Let's wait for 2-3 minutes.
Actually, I'm not able to see the screen of Deepak POD. Is sir online?
You can see a question on .pd.com.
Sir, not visible the screen.
I think sir is left or what?
Yeah, I think sir
Yes,
is
sir has left. I couldn't find him on the participant list.
Please discuss
So,
about this question.
What will be the answer, please tell?
I
think it will
verb
be a
with full stop.
verb
No.
with a full stop.
Yes.
No,
A verb with a full stop.
I think
Sentence ending with the word.
it will be the verb. All
It-
the verbs.
Yeah, sorry. I think
Zero.
the connection. Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir, but
sir.
not
Yes, you
visual.
are.
Yes, sir.
But don't visible, sir.
Yeah. I will be not able to present because I am not a host currently. Just give me a second. But I think in joinpd.com you are able to see my screen, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm showing the options also there. Just try to go through. By the time I just get the host position, then I will be able to share. Okay. So I will read. You can see the questions, no, and answer on the joinpd.com, that page.
Sir, is it multiple select?
No,
Okay.
it is multiple choice question.
So there can be multiple answers, right now?
No, only one. Multiple choice question, only one is correct.
Okay.
Multiple select means multiple option.
Let's show the question, sir.
So question is not visible.
Yeah.
Sir, please share your screen.
So your screen
So
is not
go
visible.
to joinpd.com and go to joinpd.com and
Sir, please show the options so you can answer.
please go to currently joinpd.com. Since I'm lost my connection, so I'm not a co-host, so I will be not able to share the screen. So that's why I'm telling you to go to joinpd.com and see the
Sir, options on the joinpd.com.
Sorry?
Options, sir, options.
Yeah.
Sir, my answer option is not visible.
My answer option is not visible.
Sir, screen not visible, sir.
Yeah, I got it.
Sir,
That's
what
I'm
is
saying
the code, sir? In joinpd.com.
So that is DCG VDO.
Yeah, sir.
Everything in small cap.
Yeah, all are small. So DCG VDO. Yeah.
Video
Yeah.
or sir video?
Vacate, determined, olives. So VDO. Okay. Vacate, that one.
Now it is there, sir.
Still, I'm not co-host. Just give me a second.
Sir, questions.
Yeah,
Done, sir.
Please go to joinpd.com and see questions from there. Okay. Yeah, question. Yeah.
Once again, code, sir.
DCG video.
Okay, PCG, right?
DCG.
DCG, D for Delhi.
G.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, option, sir.
Sir, other session. Where is it?
Sir, please do it fast. We have another class from 8.
Yeah, understood. Totally understood. Yeah, just yeah. So 8, I think stats or math is there.
Maths.
Sir, maths.
Okay.
Sir, please show the response.
Yeah. Now I'm able to share the screen. Yeah. Can you see my screen, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So the now answer is this one. Total number of sentence with only one verb in it.
Yes, sir.
And how
Yes,
many
sir.
have doubt in this? Guys, please.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, good for me then.
Why not the D1, sir?
So why not
I
D,
can
sir?
see, I can see doubts
why
are
not
there.
D?
Just give me 2 minutes
Why
or 1
not
minute.
A?
Yeah, I will explain.
can we-
And, guys, please mute. No, please. Yeah.
Sir, why not D is correct?
So give me 1 minute. So please mute yourself. I'm just going to explain what is this and okay. Chalo. So what was asked? We have asked that what A will represent. So for that, what was the case? You have pile 1, pile 2. In that you have to do some operations, and you have to maintain the variables A and B. So you are checking what is the two things, whether word is the verb or not. If verb is there, you have to do something. And then another condition is that checking condition. This is filtering. Filtering. You are only wanted to update the value whenever your desired result is or desired results appears on the card. And what's end with the full stop. So two things are there. So what I have done, I have prepared a table in which I have maintained variable A and B, and at the end you will be able to understand that what A and B are representing. Till like if you finish the two sentences, you will understand what A and B are representing. So let us move to the question. What was that? What if we are doing that? We have arranged all cards in pile 1. Okay. Maintain two variables A and B, initialize with them to 0. So what do you mean by that? A and B initialize with 0? Meaning they will store only which type of data value?
Integer.
Integer only.
Integer.
Okay. Then what we are doing? We have maintained pile 1 and if it is empty, then you have to stop the iteration. Meaning this is termination condition of your loop. Then you are reading the card. Let us say, and what you are checking in next step, if parts of a speech is verb. Okay. If parts of speech, so recently I have shown you that, let us say, if parts of a speech is verb, then what you are going to do?
Increment B.
Okay, just yeah, you have to increment B. Okay. Then if word doesn't end with a full stop, obviously the if you go first time, obviously it is not ending. Say, then where you will move? Here. If word end with a if word not end with a full stop, obviously if you are going first time, it is not ending. Then where you have to move? Execute a step 9. So where from 6 to you have to go where? Jump here to here. You are skipping step 7 and step 8. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
move that card to another pile and repeat from a step 3. So you have to from again 3 to again you have to come back to 3. Again you will check for the iteration card. If it is there, you will go, will read, you will update the value of B. Let us say if word end with a full stop, like it was Monday morning, last morning is there. So end with a full stop. So if word doesn't end with a full stop, that is not correct for the word morning I'm talking about. So where you will go? You will go to the step 7. What end with a full stop? Yes, morning end with a full stop. You will check. Then if B is equal to 1, if B is equal to 1, then you will increment A. What A will represent? I tell you as soon as we will move. So a summary is that you understood what code is doing. You have to maintain two variables A and B. You have to update the value of B whenever
B
any
was what?
verb is there. If verb is and if word is there, word ends with a full stop, you have to check the condition B is equal to 1, and then you have to increment A, and after that you have to reset the value B to 0, and then you have to go to the next. So like we are doing, we have the first word, first sentence. What is the? It was Monday morning, like that. We have paragraph word data set, no? And what we are checking, it is a verb or not. So obviously this is not a verb, so we will not do anything for A and B. What we will do? Can you see this? If word is not a verb, what we are doing? If parts of speech is not a verb, okay, this is not a verb, then we will go to the next step. If word doesn't end with a full stop, obviously that word is not ending with a full stop. So then where you have to go? You have to execute step 9. So you will jump from 6 to 9. Then card is moved to where? To pile 2, and you have to again go back to step 3. Again you have to read the new card. Guys, is this clear, this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next word is what? Was. Yeah, this is verb. Word end with a full stop? No. And yeah, so if it is a verb, then you have to increment B. So B become 1. A is still 0. No, we haven't done anything for A. Next word is Monday. Monday is not a verb. We will not do anything. We'll go to the step again 3, where you will read the new card. Guys, remember? Then next word is what? Morning. Morning is the verb, which is not a verb, but what is that? That ends with a full stop. So what it we are checking? That line number 7 means as soon as morning will come, what if word doesn't end with the full stop? This is not correct. Line number 7 you will go. If word end with a full stop, yes, morning is ending with full stop, and you will check B. If B is equal to 1, yes, B had the value of B was 1 for the case of was. So it is both condition is satisfied. Word end with the full stop, and also B is 1. What you are going to do? You have to increment A is equal to 1, and at the same time you have to reinitialize B with 0. No, in next step. After that, once you increment A, you have reset the variable B to 0.
Yes, sir.
And then again you are going to the next step 3. Again you are checking for the next word. So you can think that what it is actually happening, variable B just counting the number of verbs in a sentence, and A is only incremented when at the
Sentence.
a word end with the full stop. What do you think this indicates? End of a sentence. Understand, guys? If word end with a full stop,
Yes, sir.
meaning that
Yes.
is representing the end of a sentence, no? So
Yes,
that
sir.
time it checks that if B is equal to 1, meaning if a number of verbs in that particular sentence is 1, then you are going to increment A. Meaning
Yes, sir.
A is counting number of sentences which has only one verb.
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 Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's why the answer is
Got it.
B.
Sir, is this the last question, sir?
Are there any other questions?
Yeah.
Sir, we have another session.
Yeah, this is last question actually. Oh, sorry. Oh, this is last question actually. I have. What will X and count will represent at the end of execution of swapping will data set? Just 2 minutes. So this is your question. What count and X will represent? So I will. So what I'm saying that arrange all the cards. We have arranged all the cards. You have initialized count and X with 0. Then again same thing, and you check if what is there. Then I will show the options also. This one. Before that, just try to see this one. Just 2 minutes.
Option, sir.
Sorry.
Option.
Yeah, option I'm showing. Yeah.
Questions. It's a question.
Yeah, question. Yeah.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Option.
Done, sir.
Please show the response, sir.
Yeah. Just 10 seconds for entering the response.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, so should I show the answer now, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
I mean,
sir.
responses B, I think, yeah. B is the correct answer. How? I just show you. So what is there? Like in the question, it was mentioned that you have to maintain 2 variables, count and x. Both initialized with 0, meaning both are going to store only integer type of data. It's a termination condition. Then you are reading the card. If customer name is Srivatsan, then you are going to increment count and adding total bill amount to x, and then you are moving that card to pile 2, and you are repeating from step 3, meaning count is going to store number of Srivatsan bill in the data set, and x will store total bill amount generated by Srivatsan. Means if you see that this is a Srivatsan bill, like it is checking from pile 1 to pile 2. If bill is Srivatsan, then you are going to increment count, and at the same time you are adding total bill amount to x. That is the okay. Yeah, so this is the
Now can we leave,
this was the
sir?
last question. Yeah, and those who have some doubts can stay, or as this is the last question, so solve with instructor session is done. If you have a still doubt, please write your doubt on discussion forum or discourse. We'll try to answer from there, and if required, we will conduct some extra session also, which is a special session. Okay.
So would you be able to share a PDF of these problems that you showed today?
Yeah. So it will be available on your page. I mean, it will come to your portal page under some section. It will
Under
be
supplementary
Yes.
supplementary resources, is it?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, why this says
Sorry. Yeah.
Sir,
Tell me.
one question have done or some left.
Yeah. Done. This was the last question.
Okay.
Dismiss,
sir,
sir.
this session is not streaming in YouTube? May I know why?
Sorry.
This last YouTube channel also not updated.
Yeah, even the previous session also, both the sessions we couldn't access the YouTube link actually.
YouTube. This session also not streaming.
Yeah, both the sessions actually.
No. So if you go to the calendar, I mean, you can see that this is the.
Yeah, the link is there, sir. But if we, it is not redirecting to the YouTube. Say it is opening the page, but the video link, it's not opening actually. It says some waiting or something.
Oh. I can see also here. It's like that. It is coming.
Yeah, that's exactly.
Okay. Oh, this is 27 Jan.
Yeah,
Okay.
even the previous session also the same thing. Even today also the same.
Acha. I think there is some issue with the link. We'll tell admin to update the link. Okay.
Change the link, sir.
Sorry. Yeah, we'll talk to the admin side. They will update the link. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir, please.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm not
Sorry?
able to upload my doubts on the forum section.
Why? You are not able to log in?
I'm able to log in and see the video contents, but the forum section is not working. I'm not able to download my update my doubts.
For me also, I am actually a foundation level student and I don't have access to discourse forum of CT, sir.
Please, can you show on your screen how to do that?
Acha, okay. Oh, maybe so add course support team will add you in that. Yeah, am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so core support team will add you in that forum page because they might have given sent you invite. You might have. Did you join?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
joined.
Join.
But still, you are not able to do that.
Yes, sir. I can
just
see the
have
responses of others, sir, that others are putting doubt and discussing, but I'm not able to put the doubt.
What it is saying? I mean,
Sir, there is no option how to write or something. I'm not able to access that.
okay. Yeah, so please go and join this one math session, and we'll have one session to rectify your things. Okay.
I don't have access to CT discourse forum, but I have access to English forum.
Okay. So please write mail to the support team. They will add you that if I think they have missed you to add.
Sir, I have mailed them.
Okay. Because okay, so it will take some time. I mean, maybe by 2 or 3 days they will be able to do. I will just directly talk to them and let them to know these things are happening. Okay.
So thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so please guys go and join this math session. I think that is currently important, and we'll conduct some extra session for you guys to clear other doubts also. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye for now then, guys. Have a good day.
Sir, can I ask a doubt?
Yeah.
Sir, if you have a question like that, the 9 is greater than 7, so there is a number, so it's an integer type, but due to inequality, the result is the Boolean type. So it is an integer type or a
9 is greater
type?
than 7. It is 9 is greater than 7. You are checking the inequality, so the result will be a Boolean type. Yes.
Okay.
True or false.
Sir, so if the question is the identify the data type, so it will be the Boolean or the integer data type.
Where it is written, like if 9 is greater than written there, we are asking, then it is a Boolean data type actually.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I
Then
had a
bye guys.
problem.
Please join the math session, that is currently important, and I will update the YouTube link. Okay. Bye.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.